How to fix screen mirroring on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix screen mirroring on iPhone. Well, the process actually is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. To fix screen mirroring issues on an iPhone, you want to start by ensuring that both devices are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. So you want to make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are connected to same Wi-Fi network, what you want to do is you also want to make sure you are on the same software, that you have the latest software. Both the devices have latest software. Now once you ensure both of these, you can restart your iPhone, your device, right, both devices, and check if the device you are mirroring to is in AirPlay mode. If problems persist, you can try resetting network settings on your iPhone, disabling VPN or security software, and if needed, resetting iPhone mirroring settings in the iPhone mirroring app. So this is how you can fix screen mirroring on iPhone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.